Tesla's advanced assisted driving technology, Autopilot, includes features such as Autosteer, Autopark, and traffic-aware cruise control. In September 2014, the hardware suite was initially installed in Tesla automobiles. With the release of Tesla OS version 7.0 in October 2015, the business steadily added increasingly advanced functionality via over-the-air software upgrades, culminating in the first substantial Autopilot update in October 2015. Welcome to Elon Musk Resolution. In today's video, we will be looking at the most exciting things about Tesla self-driving. Want to know all about it? Watch till the end. Tesla Autopilot is a set of sophisticated driver assistance capabilities that equates to Level 2 vehicle automation and is supplied by Tesla. Lane centering, traffic-aware cruise control, automatic lane changes, semi-autonomous navigation on limited-access highways, self-parking, and the option to summon the car from a garage or parking spot are some of its features. In all of these aspects, the driver is in charge, and the vehicle must be constantly monitored. The features, according to the business, decrease accidents caused by driver error and exhaustion from long-distance driving. Although it was placed first in the capabilities and performance and ease of use categories, Consumer Reports put Tesla Autopilot a distant second in driver assistance systems in October 2020. The company's stated purpose is to offer SAE Level 5 as an upgrade to the base Autopilot features at a later date, noting that regulatory and technical challenges must be overcome to reach this goal. Most analysts anticipate that Tesla vehicles would lack the requisite hardware for fully autonomous driving by April 2020. Tesla launched and commissioned customers for a full self-driving beta program in the United States in October 2020. As of January 2022, 60,000 vehicles owned by Tesla staff and customers are being tested on public highways. Tesla's idea to engage unskilled users to evaluate the beta software was criticized by several industry analysts as risky and irresponsible. Collisions and deaths involving Tesla cars equipped with Autopilot have also drawn the attention of the media and government organizations. Guidehouse Insights ranked Tesla last in the autonomous driving market for both strategy and performance in May 2021. For years, Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, has made incorrect forecasts about when the company would attain SAE Level 5. Autopilot is a terrific thing to have in planes, and we should have it in vehicles, Elon Musk said in a 2013 interview about the Tesla Autopilot system. Autopilot underwent a succession of hardware and software upgrades over the next decade, progressively nearing the goal of full autonomy, which remained a work in progress as of January 2021. Tesla provided customers the option to pre-purchase Autopilot, which was not built for self-driving, in October 2014. The first prototypes were developed in collaboration with Mobileye, but the two companies parted ways in July 2016 because Tesla was pushing the boundaries in terms of safety. The initial hardware that enables Autopilot was installed in Tesla cars manufactured after September 2014. In October 2015, as part of Tesla software version 7.0, the first Autopilot software release was made. Some features were deleted in version 7.1 to discourage unsafe driving. To aid navigation in limited visibility, version 8.0 analyzed radar information to build a point cloud comparable to LiDAR. Autopilot 8.0 was updated in November 2016 to urge drivers to hold the steering wheel. Autopilot had driven 300 million kilometers by November 2016. Autopilot sensors and computing hardware were upgraded to hardware version 2 in October 2016. Tesla coined the phrase enhanced Autopilot to describe the new HW2 features. Autopilot got the ability to manage motorways in February 2017, including the ability to change lanes without driver input, transfer from one freeway to another, and exit the road. It had traffic-aware cruise control, Autosteer on divided highways, and Autosteer up to 45 miles per hour on local roads. In March 2017, HW2 cars received software version 8.1, bringing them up to speed with HW1 cars. Tesla released hardware version 2.5 in August of the following year. Tesla upgraded its hardware to version 3 in March 2019. Tesla released an updated Autopilot in May that was limited to Europe in order to comply with a new United Nations Economic Commission for Europe law regarding automatically directed steering functions. Tesla's early access program testers received software version 10 in September, with enhancements in driving visualization and smart lane changes. Tesla resurrected the term Enhanced Autopilot in September 2020 to indicate the subset of functions that apply to highway travel, parking, and summoning, whereas full self-driving includes navigation on city roads. In October 2020, Tesla issued a beta version of its full self-driving software to EAP testers in the United States. Tesla's approach to achieving SAE Level 5 is to train a neural network using the behavior of hundreds of thousands of Tesla drivers, primarily using visible light cameras and information from components used for other purposes in the car, such as the coarse-grained two-dimensional maps used for navigation, the ultrasonic sensors used for parking, and so on. Tesla has made a deliberate decision not to use LiDAR, which Elon Musk has referred to as stupid, expensive, and unnecessary. This distinguishes Tesla's approach from that of other companies, such as Waymo and Cruise, which train their neural networks based on the behavior of highly trained drivers and use highly detailed three-dimensional maps and LiDAR in their autonomous vehicles. Complete autonomy is essentially a software restriction, according to Elon Musk. The hardware exists to accomplish full autonomy, so it's really about developing smart, narrow AI for the car to function on. Increasingly sophisticated neural nets that can run in fairly sized processors in the automobile is the goal of autopilot development. The automobile will learn over time, according to Musk, including from other cars. As of April 2020, Tesla's software had been trained based on 3 billion miles traveled by Tesla vehicles on public roads. As of January 2020, rivals had trained their algorithms on tens of billions of kilometers in computer simulations, in addition to tens of millions of miles on public roads. Tesla built a self-driving computer processor, which has been installed in its cars since March 2019, as well as a neural network training supercomputer. Other vehicle automation businesses, like Waymo, also utilize bespoke chipsets and neural networks. Tesla sent EAP testers, a restricted number of consumers in the United States, a beta version of its FSD software in October 2020. Tesla's Autopilot is a Level 2 vehicle automation system, according to SAE International's 6 Degrees of Vehicle Automation. The automobile can behave autonomously at this level, but the driver must keep a constant eye on the road and be ready to take control at any time. Autopilot should not be utilized on city streets or on routes where traffic conditions are frequently changing, according to Tesla's owner's manual. Nonetheless, some existing and future FSD features are advertised for city streets. Elon Musk announced on Twitter in late May 2021 that Purevision Autopilot was being implemented. The Tesla Vision system eliminates the forward-facing radar from the Autopilot hardware package on Model 3 and Model Y vehicles delivered in and after May 2021 for the North American market. Temporary limitations were placed to certain features, such as Autosteer, and other features were removed for vehicles without the front radar, although Tesla vowed to restore the features in the weeks ahead via a series of over-the-air software updates. Consumer Reports removed the Model 3 off its top picks list, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety announced preparations to remove the Model 3 from its top safety pick plus list, but both organizations reversed their decisions following further testing. The New York Times reported in December 2021 that Musk was the driving force behind the camera-only strategy, and that he repeatedly persuaded members of the Autopilot team that humans can drive with only 2 eyes, which meant cars should be able to drive with cameras alone. Autopilot may not detect stationary vehicles, according to several autonomous vehicle experts. Traffic-aware cruise control cannot detect all objects and may not brake or decelerate for stationary vehicles, especially in situations when you are driving over 50 miles per hour and a vehicle you are following moves out of your driving path and a stationary vehicle or object is in front of you instead, the manual states. This has resulted in a number of collisions with emergency vehicles that have come to a halt. Any automobile with only adaptive cruise control or automated emergency braking suffers from the same issue. With that, we have come to the end of the video. If you found it interesting, make sure to hit the like button and let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon with another exciting video. Until then, bye!